main character energy. Oh hi, nine effort to another level. Dude, this moves on its own. Your first dates might never find your clip. We've talked about self-care so many times, skincare, hair care, mental health. So today we're gonna take a simple detour and talk about my favorite kind of self-care, the one that makes you sleep more, smile more, and also glow more.
अरे कहना क्या चाहते हो?
I have 9 different products from Love Depot, India's largest pleasure superstore and a one-stop destination for all things pleasure. Valentine's Day chala gaya hai, but you should always win big on love. That's why Love Depot has blessed us with the Great Indian Pleasure Quest, where you get up to 60% off site-wide, Happy Hour from 4 to 6, where you get buy one, get one every day, and Pleasure Saturdays with exciting weekend offers as well. So let's see which one of the products are fun, fab, and will change your life. Alright, starting with something for the couples. The Score Buzz is a vibrating ring that promises to bring more fun for both the partners and comes with a remote for hands-free fun. This takes team effort to another level and we love that. आपके relationship goals में सिर्फ open communication ही नहीं, अब ये भी होना चाहिए with 8 vibration modes and boost modes to get the best sensation even when you are in shower because this baby is waterproof. My final verdict, this is great for spicing things up. Also bonus points for the hands-free action because your hand should be busy doing some other things. And you're getting a great deal right now as well. This one, it's all about pressure points and targeted pleasure. This comes with a texture tip and also a curve at the end, definitely focusing on all the right places for us girlies. I have to say the color is giving very main character energy and also the body safe silicone makes it a thumbs up. The Mischief Vibrato comes with 10 frequencies and 5 different speed settings as well. It's definitely a fun one and it's here to get the job done. Just make sure you use the Mischief Classic Lube on this toy for a smoother experience. My final verdict, if you know what you like, then this one is a solid choice and 10 out of 10 for precision as well. Okay, this one is definitely for all you adventure lovers. The sexy cuffs. I mean, if your Netflix and chill is just becoming Netflix, then it's time to introduce some accessories and spice things up. Okay, now for the real-time experience, this actually feels very soft and adjustable and very Christian Grey starter pack. We support safe and consensual fun and this is definitely for a couple who wants a little more drama and crazy. अभी तो ये बहुत अच्छी deal पे भी है, so check out the links. Talk about Christian Grey and we have the 50 Shades of Grey Sensation Finger Vibrator. This is taking matters in your hand quite literally. Oh, hi, nice to meet you. This is going to change my life with 15 different vibrating modes. I know this is going to be great for us girls, but I still see its full potential in a couple situation. It's waterproof and I can already imagine it will be so much fun. It's small, portable and powerful, ideal for on-the-go fun and for couples as well. And you get up to 55% off on this baby as well. So, get it. इस पे 50 Shades of Grey engraved भी है. I love it. Next we have the Satisfyer Love Triangle Air Pulse Stimulator and Vibrator. That's quite a handful. Now think of this as a VIP treatment for all your oral pleasures. Air Pulse technology that feels like the real thing and never runs out of breath. Okay, let me just see how effective the air tech is on my palms. Oh my god, this is serious stuff. I don't think so I'll ever need a man after this. I mean, it also comes with 10 vibrating modes and 11 pleasure wave intensities. When has a man ever showed you this much variety? Also, I love how tech savvy this is. Comes with an app of its own for you to control the intensity or give the control to your partner. Especially if you are in a long distance, this would be so much fun. Also, it's literally whisper quiet and dangerously effective. So if you have roommates, they will never know. And if you have a partner, they might just get jealous of the 60% off deal that you can get on this baby. Okay, imagine if flexibility, precision, and deep vibrations have a love child. That's this one. Okay, wow, this is definitely more flexible than my weekend plan. This is what you get when people design something keeping women in mind. I can already picture how comfortable this would be after a tiring long day. It's a dual-in toy with stimulations on both the ends, so double the fun, quite literally. My final verdict, it's great for hitting the right spots, but also a solid stress relief if you just want to relax. Then we have the Satisfyer Magic Bunny Vibrator, the classic rabbit style toy, an icon, a legend, yet this one claims to be even better. While 80% of your first dates might never find your clit, this baby will hit it every time. Taking care of your G-spot and clit both at the same time. It's giving VIP treatment. It's giving, why did I not try it sooner and save myself from all the disappointing dates? Joy Thruster. I'm not kidding. This is one thing that I always wanted to try. Ooh, I love the packaging as well. Okay, मैं actually से charge करना भूल गई थी, so let's try it together for the first time. Dude, this moves on its own. Matlab, you can give your hands a rest because this will just keep on moving on its own and you just have to control the speed. Wow. I literally cannot believe something like this exists. And that's not it. It also has clit stimulation with real tongue licking end. Are you kidding me? This is like the ultimate companion, ladies. I mean, whatever you needed, Love Depot has finally heard you and given you the cure of glowing skin, happy sleep, and good orgasms. Okay, just imagine having your partner in literally the other part of the world and he gets to take charge of this baby with the app. This is literally a boon for long distance couples. My verdict, this can easily be your best friend and you will be addicted to it. Okay, then we have the Jeju Uma G-Spot Vibrator. I am pretty sure I've butchered the name, but let's see what's inside. Ooh, this one's fancy. You can tell it's giving expensive taste. And it doesn't even look like your regular vibrators. She is definitely for deeper sensations and G-Spot magic. A VIP experience of 5 speeds and 7 patterns too. And is waterproof as well, so आप अपने showers को luxurious spas बना सकते हैं. My verdict, luxury but worth it. Think of it as a designer bag for self-care. Okay, if I had to choose my top 3, it would be for the best all-rounder love triangle, the real deal of pleasure with tech, I'm here for it. For the lazy girls, of course, Joe Truster. I mean, it moves on its own. Enough said. And last but not the least, for the couples, I think it should be Score Buzz because collaboration and communication is the key. But I also feel the finger vibrator is great if you just want to spice things up. At the end of the day, pleasure is personal, whether you are a newbie, an expert, or just curious. It's all about what makes you feel good and winning big in love, self-love. And with the best deals at Great Indian Pleasure, Fest like up to 60% off, buy one get one every day, weekend offers, and so much more, the pleasure is yours. Links to all the products would be in the description box. If you want a part 2, let me know in the comment section. Until then, stay happy, stay hydrated, and stay satisfied. Okay, bye.